Dude, so I have Crohn's disease, and something I eat a lot that my stomach can handle is chicken thighs. And when you bake these things, well, really, if you bake any chicken or cook any kind of chicken, you put it in the fridge later, and you get this like jelly kind of stuff, this gelatinous stuff. I call it chicken jelly. And I used to think it was like bad, like kind of a byproduct of the chicken or whatever, which it is, but it's not bad. But this stuff, this gelatinous crap, is really good for you. It's got a bunch of amino acids in it. So I'm gonna put up on the screen what it does for you, and I'm gonna show you how I use this stuff. You don't just wanna eat that like by itself. I mean, you can if you're, but I put it in mashed taters, and it like, well, I'll show you. So you just take yourself a little chicken jelly. Good God. Usually it's liquid, it's out the oven, so I can just pour it in there, but it is gonna be kind of, hey bitch, take it on there, but what you do, you just throw it in your taters, just like that. And it's basically the same thing as like chicken broth, except, you know, there's no additives, as long as you get like clean meat from a good place. Aldi is a good place for that crap. But yeah, you know, you just take some of it, and then your potatoes taste really, really good, on top of it being better for you. So it's a win-win. The reason it's good for Crohn's is it has glutamic acid, I guess that's how you say it, which protects the intestinal lining, which is huge for us people with Crohn's disease. So if you can handle this stuff, I'll show you how to put it in some taters later, in anything that use it as like a topping or like a sauce. It's really good for you, and it's better than you know, vitamins and supplements, which are fine, but your body doesn't recognize those as natural substances, so it doesn't absorb them as well. And if you have Crohn's, you probably aren't really absorbing a lot anyway. So, you know, everything we can do to help our absorption and help our health is a big deal. Choose some chicken jelly, man. Also has, I'll just list off the stuff, glycine, which helps with blood sugar, so if you have blood sugar regulation. So if you have diabetes, that's awesome. Also, glycine helps with collagen production, so, you know, helps with your skin and your joints and your hair. So if you're super ugly like me, good to go. I also have arthritis, and this stuff called hydroxyproline helps with joint and bone strength, so that's a big deal with. What else is in this crap? Lysine, so that's calcium absorption and bone health, like another bone thing, which is awesome. So yeah, dude, get you, like, when you're baking your chicken, if you do that, or if you're just cooking your chicken, pour out the remnants into something, as long as you're using good oil. So the oil that I use is coconut oil with a little bit of olive oil and some sea salt, which it tastes amazing, but it's also like, it's something my body can handle. So if you can handle this, man, start doing that. See what happens. Maybe you'll feel a little bit better, you know. Maybe not, but it's worth a try. You know what I'm saying? So the more you know. I don't know.